Hi everybody, Chad and Karen from the Knowles Woolsey team, Remax J. Today we're at 10 New York Avenue in beautiful Wasaga Beach. What do we love most about this community?
I love the fact you can jump in your car and within 5 minutes you're at the largest freshwater beach in the world. Also, you're close to the golf course and there's miles of walking trails just outside your door.
Can't miss it. Come on in and take a peek.
What I love about this beautiful home is the open concept designs. It's fully updated throughout. Stainless steel appliances, pots and pans drawers, extended cabinetry, double sinks, and vaulted ceilings in the living room.
If you like privacy as much as I do, if you like to hear the birds, you like green grass, no neighbors behind, this property is for you. For more information on this one and more like, visit our website.